Welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video. I'm going to be showing you how to make the little baby butt with the feet sticking out there at the bottom of the picture. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful so you can find me again. It really helps me out, so thank you very much. Alright, to get started, I'm making this out of clay this time because the people wanted it permanent, but gum paste will work the same way, so that's easy enough. I just took a pink dome, basically, hollowed it out so it'll dry quicker, added a white semicircle right onto it. That's going to be the diaper showing. And the customer wanted pink and gray ruffles, which is what I'm adding here. I just have that tool that makes the loops there and just press them into place. If you're using gum paste, you're going to use water to seal everything together. But this is a little easier. I just bent the tips up of the ruffles to make it a little frilly looking. And don't worry about the edges. It's all going to get covered up by the blanket, so that's not a problem. And after you get the little ruffles on, if you're doing ruffles, you don't have to, of course, I'm going to be adding the feet. And all I did was take the beige color and make basically two pear shapes out of it. It's kind of smaller on one end and bigger on the other. And I have them next to each other just to make sure they're the same size. And to make the toes, I just made 5 little balls in ascending or descending size to be the big toes and then all the way down the little toes. I just press them into place. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna just be putting pieces on the side to represent knees, and you know how the legs kind of bow out. You're not really going to see them at all, but when the blanket lays on top, it'll just lay a little more properly. And I'm putting the blanket together here. I was doing white because those are the colors I had to do. I'm adding a frilled edge to the blanket, so I just rolled out some pink real thin and chopped it up to make it look like little lacy edges. You press it on, and I have one of those tools that you see here. It makes the stitching mark, so I added that too just to make it look a little more quilted and, nice looking. Make it more interesting. So I moved everything onto the paper towel here just because it was starting to get big and cumbersome. When you put the blanket on top, make sure you don't cover up your diaper too much. You want it to be peeking out in the little feet. Make sure you wrinkle up the blanket real good and turn up some of the fringe, and there you go. So again, thank you very much for following along with me. Like and subscribe if you want to find me again or if you found this helpful, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.